Hey everyone! In this video, I'll be showing you how to create an Azure integration with SuperAnnotate. Let's jump right in. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the integrations page. This is where you can find all your integrations and create new ones. So to create an Azure integration, we're going to click New Integration and we're going to select Azure. For the first step, we're going to be typing the integration name. And now we're going to be selecting a team or multiple teams. I'm going to go ahead and choose one team only. Bear in mind that this step is optional. So if you skip it, your integration won't be connected to any team. You can change that later on from the integrations page. So now we're going to be creating a storage account. And to do that, we're going to go to our Azure portal and we're going to be clicking Storage Accounts under Azure Services. We're going to click Create, and we're going to type our storage account name. And we're going to click Create. So now we're going to wait for the deployment to be done. So now that it's done, we're going to type our storage account name in our setup page. For the next step, we're going to be creating a container. So we are going to go to our storage account and we're going to go to the containers page. So to create a new container, we're going to type the container name and we're going to click Create. So let's go to our container and let's add some files. So now that we uploaded all the files that we need, we're gonna type our container name in our setup page. So for the following step, we're gonna be registering a single-tenant application in Azure, and we're gonna provide our application client ID and directory tenant ID below. So to do that, we're gonna go to the portal, to the home page, and we're gonna click App Registrations. So we're going to click New Registration and we're going to give our app a name. And we're going to click Register. So now that we registered the application, we can find the IDs that we need on this page. So we're going to copy them and paste them in our setup page. For the following step, we're going to be creating a client secret for the application that we just registered. And to do that, we're going to go to Certificates and Secrets, which is right below Manage. And we're going to be clicking New Client Secret. So we're going to call it Demo Client Secret. And you can choose when it expires. I'm just going to leave it for 6 months. And we're going to click Add. So this part is very important. We're going to be needing this value for our integration setup in SuperAnnotate. So if you refresh the page or if you leave the page, this value won't be visible anymore. So I'm going to paste it here and I'm going to show you what happens when you refresh the page. See, the value isn't visible anymore. That's why it's really important that you save it somewhere. So now that we created a client secret, we're gonna be granting access to the registered application. So we're going to be granting the storage blob delegator role for the storage account and the storage blob data reader role for our container. So we're going to go to our storage account, and we're going to go to IAM, Access Control. And we're going to click Add Role Assignment. So to make it easier, I'm just going to copy this and search the name. So we're going to click Next, and we're going to click Select Members. And we're going to search our application. And we're going to click Review Assign. So now that we assigned a role to our storage account, we're going to assign a role to our container. So we're going to go to Containers. We're going to go to our container and go to IAM. We're going to click Add Role Assignment. And we're going to search for our role. We're going to select it, click Next, click Select Members. We're doing basically the same steps that we did previously. Okay, so now that we added the role, we're going to click Create. So now that we successfully created the integration, we're going to test it. So now that we know that the integration is valid, let's try it out. So we're going to go to a project, and we're going to add images. As you can see, all the images have been uploaded, so let's try one out. So as you can see, the images have been uploaded successfully. So that's it for this video, and thanks for watching.